like a bit sooner, but we're a bit late.
But it's alright anyways, because like it is kind of cringe how like every bar is like there's no one there. It's kind of, I feel like I'm in a desert.
This is a nice place.
Yeah, this is a nice,
Like this seat is I like how cool it is in here. We don't go to bars often. I don't know why we don't. It's, well, actually, I do know it's expensive, but we should go when we've got the money. They're gonna order the drink. Look at them. The men.
the music, the men.
I feel ashamed to play pop golf with this. Yeah, I thought there was some nonchalant.
Mate, that's gonna give me a brain freeze.
I like that we all got different glasses.
Mango one.
You've not already done that.
You don't like it. She doesn't like it.
It's very mango-y.
I love it.
Oh no, I'm not.
He just ordered the best drink.
Is it cold?
That's what I'm afraid of.
Yeah.
Two.
Oh, is that nice?
Oh, it's whipped cream. Yeah.
The power of love, the power of love.
Oh my god, good.
How are you doing this? It's so cold. Right, Judy and Kieran. Oh, Are you ready? Little mushroom on the bottom. Ew.
That's just food, right?
Yeah, I'll count that as
We are on to bar number 2.
Yeah,
Where
let's
are
go.
we going? Where are
We're
we
going
going?
walkabout.
It's just over there. We're gonna get a shot here, I think.
Is it open? Yeah.
Yeah, it's open. Just no one's in here. Me and Charlie got peach vodka, so did Kieran and Julia. Jaeger bombs. And we have to shot it with no hands. Wait, how do we do that?
I have to feed it.
Either you can feed it or you can go with your teeth and do that.
I've never done this before. Which would you rather,
get it on
Sarah?
yourself.
I don't know.
You
Ew.
gonna pour it in like that?
I'm gonna do it normally. I hate what I want to do.
Good?
No.
No?
God, look at this.
Oh my god.
I can't do that with no hands.
What?
Nah, fuck it, feed me the shot. I'm not doing that.
just a shot of the bomb.
the shot. Oh, what the plot?
Pure Jaeger.
You got this gal.
What's in the bomb?
I don't want to do it.
Gal, come
What?
on.
Yeah,
Why do I?
Yeah.
Red Bull.
Yes,
Yeah.
gal. Hey.
Oh.
Ew. Yeah, like that.
Your poor bracing.
You got this.
Let me pour it. I can pour it.
Nah, let's go. Oh, he's gonna choke.
Oh, he cheated. He used his hands.
To be fair, was that or was going
Is that a point we're doing?
That was a point added for using your hand to take it out.
Oh my god, that's
Want to try that?
Yes, gal. Yes, gal. Oh. Yes.
Just swallow it, just swallow it. See, fine.
Done.
yes,
Okay, Julia's turn.
Go on, girls.
She just, her face just dropped. Like,
How are you doing it?
I just didn't have the
Should I do
confidence
it
that I
fast?
wouldn't spill it all on
No,
the fucking
slow.
table.
No, Julie, that's a bad idea. Oh, never mind, you did it.
I don't mind the taste of vodka.
Not
Not to be a not to be a hard man.
Go on, girl.
We're at number 3. Number 3. We're at Mailbox currently.
Yeah,
and our drink of choice is wine to chug, which will be quite interesting. Julia's already drunk.
You're already drunk.
I'm not drunk, I'm tipsy. I swear to God, I am tipsy. And everyone else went to the toilet. White wine.
Oh my god.
How the fuck is
That doesn't look good.
Champion.
Well done, Charlie. Well done, Charlie.
That is horrific. Palate cleanse with some water.
Can I have a palate cleanse?
Oh yeah.
What, mine? What's this, 3?
Yeah. Okay.
Third swing. Hype her up, hype your girl. Go on, Sarah. Wow.
Yes. Yes.
I need a piss.
Yes.
Oh, you got it. Tiny bit, yeah.
That was 3, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Didn't even touch the sides.
Chase her, Sarah, chase her.
Catches.
You're gonna do it in one.
Oh my
Done
god.
that.
It's...
Why did?
Oh my god.
Oh my
Mate!
What?
Houdini? Go on, kiss him on the pretty much.
You're nearly there, you're nearly there. Keep going, keep going.
Yeah, that's easy too.
Don't force yourself. It's okay.
Why are you still winning? There's
Go
not much
on.
of it either. It's fine. Hey,
What?
That was down in 1, good job.
What the fuck?
only such a small amount.
No, he got a small.
Oh. Is it
Yeah.
drunk?
No, I'm completely sober.
And I was
He's
getting
completely- are you actually?
Yeah, I feel like 2 more pubs and I'll be
It was
tipsy.
hilarious.
Okay,
Two more
both
shots.
me and Julia record me.
I'm still not drunk.
Both
Yeah, look
me
at
and Julia
Sarah.
are drunk.
Bigger drink.
Now let me record you.
Tipsy. Tipsy. He's lying. He's
Okay,
lying.
Amber, tipsy? She's not tipsy.
Yeah, same.
I feel like one more pub I'll be there.
2 more.
I'm nowhere
2 more.
near.
Yeah,
Two
probably
more.
2
What
more.
about you, Will? How many pubs still tipsy?
10.
A million.
On to the next, guys. Where?
Travel.
Trap.
Are you sure?
Let's judge.
My bike's successful.
Whoa. Did it work?
Pretty hot.
You look so
It doesn't fucking work.
Oh shit.
It's fizzy and it gives you a brain freeze.
He didn't do anything.
Did I not?
No.
I felt like I did loads.
At the moment, the points are 12 to me and Amber, 13 to Kieran and Julia,
Oh,
and
bumped up with that little
17 to you two.
17.
But that's only 4. That's 4.
That's my fault, guys. That's my fault. Yo, what are you doing? Yeah, okay.
We're both going to go in the dance machine and carousel to get a cocktail and then spoon.
Yes.
Maybe, yeah.
Possibly. We'll see if we're.
We'll go to the Ritz. We will. We'll go to the Ritz. The Ritz will be good.
We will go spoon, sorry.
The Ritz will be good. I have cake in my bag. Ooh! Okay!
Victory spot.
Where are we?
We're at Carousel again and we're gonna drink a lot.
We're gonna get ourselves a cocktail. Amber is drunk. She's drunk.
So yeah, no. I don't feel drunk, but I am.
I'm shit-faced.
Are you?
Yeah.
For real?
Not with you.
Take your vomit. Shit!
Hold on. Yeah, like that. Yes, girl. There's more in that.
You didn't finish!
There is more in that.
I didn't see it because it was too
That don't count.
That was horror.
horror.
Never again.
I don't know this song!
You don't know it. Even I know it. This is the one.
Hi guys. Oh my god, I'm tearing up. Oh, this looks so good. I'ma drink it.
No rules on this one, right?
No rules, so we can drink it at our own pace.
When you hear that.
feel like if you gave me 4 cocktails, I'd be alright.
I'm out of commission. Amber is just tired. She's sober apparently. Look at her, she's yawning.
Do you want?
I think this might be the end of us.
Do you want?
Okay guys, we made it home. We made it home at like what, midnight? We did not make it to Spoons, unfortunately. Bye bye. What did we make it? We had those last like 2 cocktails and carousel, and then we were like done. We did go to Scene, which is like a club that was open at midnight. But yeah, now I'm going to bed. Bye bye. Say goodbye.
Huh?
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.